Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we have a problem on modified game of name. So we have n number of elements in an array. We have two players, 1 and 2. A will start the game and whatever he chooses from the array, he will remove it, and then we have to XOR the remaining elements of the array, and if it comes 0 then he will win, otherwise he will lose. So it's pretty much simple code, but we have to first understand the logic behind this. So according to a name theorem, if we XOR all the elements of the array, so for our first example of the array, if we see, is 332. So if we XOR all the elements of the array, we can get 0 or we cannot get 0. These are the two possibilities according to the theorem. In this case, the XOR of 3 and 3 is 0, and we will XOR this with 2, so both digits are same, we will get 0 and 1. 0 is also known as identity element of XOR. That is 0. If we XOR 0 with any elements, we will get the element itself. So that is why we got 2 here. Anyways, this is not equals to 0, right? So now this is not equals to 0. So now we have to check whether it is even or not. Even or not. So in our case, our n is 3. 3 mod 2 is not equals to 0. So if it is odd, the number of elements in the array is odd, B will win. And if the number of elements is even, then A will win. This is all about the program. Let us take the second example as well. Here we got two elements, 3 and 3. So we will XOR both the elements. We will get, if we XOR both the bits are equal, so 0, here also 0. So we are getting already getting 0. In this case, A will directly win. There is no need to check whether then elements are odd or even. So this is all about the logic of the program. Now we will code this part. Now we will code this part. So we have to take XOR of all the elements in the array. XOR result equals to 0 for int I in A. We will XOR every elements of the array like this. And now, as I have told, that if the XOR value is 0, then A will win, and even if it is not 0, we have to check the parity. If the parity is coming even, then A will win. else we will declare B as the winner. So we can write this in one line only, that return, we are using ternary operator here. So if XOR'ed equals to 0, or if the number of elements is equals to 0, then we will return 1, else we will return 2. Let's compile this. Compilation completed. Let us submit. Yeah, so code is running fine. So if you want any other example, we can take array elements like 3, 7, 2, 4. So if we XOR all these 3 with 7, the XOR value will be 0, 0. Here the 2 bits are different, so we will get 1. Now with 2, it will return same element 0, different element 1, different element 1. Now with 4, same element 0, different element 1, same element. So it is returning 2, which is not equals to 0. So we have to check whether the number of elements, which is 4, here n equals to 4, which is even, so we can declare A as the winner. This is all about the logic and the program. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.